Welcome to my garage, everybody. Here's my garage door. It's closed. I seem to forget about it and leave it open a lot. So I've got this switch. I've got this esp8266 module. And if I open this garage, I should get a text message if I forget about it for 10 minutes. So let's do that. Just opened it a little bit. You can see that. Now you'll notice if I set this timer, in 10 minutes I should get an SMS. The garage door is still open and we're nearly at the 10-minute mark. So let's see what happens when the SMS arrives. Cool.